Elon Musk is teasing the impossible, or maybe what you didn't see coming, flying cars. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. On Friday's Joe Rogan Experience, the Tesla CEO Elon Musk dropped hints that he might be cooking up a vehicle straight out of a sci-fi movie. Rogan asked if Musk was thinking about an electric flying car with retractable wings. Musk grinned and said, "I can't do the unveil before the unveil. I think it has a shot at being the most memorable product unveil ever." Comments came amid chatter about the Tesla Roadster prototype, which Musk described as having crazy technology, crazier than anything James Bond has. He promised a demo, hopefully before the end of the year, that will be unforgettable. Fans have been waiting since 2017 when the Roadster was first unveiled as the fastest production car ever made. Musk isn't the only one in this race. California-based Aleph has test agreements with 2 Bay Area airports for car trials that can take off vertically, while Joby Aviation is already running air taxi tests. But Musk's teasing suggests Tesla could jump into the game too. Musk made these comments just a day after OpenAI CEO Sam Altman poked fun at him over years-long Roadster delays. Musk has yet to officially respond, but clearly he's keeping the hype alive. And the drama doesn't stop there. On November 6th, Tesla shareholders will vote on a proposed $1 trillion pay package from Musk based on performance milestones, making this flying car tease more than just a publicity stunt. Musk's dreams of flying cars might be closer to reality than we think, and if he's right, we can see cars flying sooner than we imagined. Would you take a ride in it? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.